Zoho One has some apps and services that can help you to communicate with your teammates from anywhere. We have rounded up some best practices on how you can communicate effectively with your team when you work remotely. Let's dive in. Set custom statuses on Click to tell your teammates what you're up to, whether you are at lunch or taking a coffee break. Set a custom status for your teammates to see through this. Your virtual teammates will know your availability and they will only ping you when you are active. Use the right communication tool. Each has a specific purpose. Do not use a chat tool like Click to post long messages. Keep your chat messages short. Use a chat document or a note to convey very complex, detailed information. This way, your teammates will be able to read it easily and get a clear picture. Initiate one-on-one audio calls with teammates for quick resolution, urgent matters, and other elaborate discussions. Hop on a video call or audio call with your team to have virtual brainstorming sessions and to bond with them. Have brief stand-up meetings with your team to go over tasks like tasks that have been completed, tasks that you all have action for in the future. Pro tip, when you have these stand-up meetings, access the Kanban view in projects, sprints, or connect. See who's working on what and monitor the progress of the task at a glance. Know where you stand as a team and collectively identify ways to complete the work faster. Use Zoho Mail and Zoho Meeting for having formal discussions with your colleagues and external stakeholders. Convert your conversation into a to-do list. Click comes with built-in task management capabilities. You can convert messages into tasks in Zoho Mail and a ticket in Zoho Desk. Among other things, Click serves as a central hub for remote work. Use Zoho One to work remotely and stay connected with your team. Do you want to try these features or are you trying it now? Let us know in the comments below. For more Zoho tips and tricks, watch these videos and subscribe to the channel.